In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a shareable folder in Google Drive. So let's get started. First, on the top right corner, go to the new and then click on new folder. Now here, enter your folder name and then click on create. Now on the right side, click on three dot icon. After that, go to the share and then click on share. Now go to the general access and then click on restricted. Now select anyone with the link. Click on the viewer and then select the editor. Now copy the link and click on done. Now paste the link anywhere. So this is our shareable folder. You can upload any file folder. Now you can upload anything here. This is how you can create a shareable folder in Google Drive. Thanks for watching.